So let's talk about this question. In this question, they are asking which of the following is a method of backup available in the AWS cloud. So we are looking for a method where we can keep our backup. So the option we are having Amazon EVS snapshots. Next option we are having availability zones. Third one Amazon EFS file systems. Fourth one is Amazon Route 53. So before giving it the right answer, let's understand what exactly these services are. So first we are having Amazon EVS snapshot. EVS stands for Elastic Block Storage. So it's a block-based storage system that provides a virtual hard disk inside the cloud. If I'll talk about the availability zone is a kind of a logical location inside the region where the availability zone consists one or more physical data centers like our organization's office we are having, right? Next we are having Amazon EFS file system that provides file-based storage service which we can access through the NFS protocol. As far as I know, we can use it uh, as a storage service but not as a backup service. So it's not correct. Amazon Route 53, it's a DNS service in AWS. So here we are not talking about the mapping of name to IP address or IP address to name, so we can't use it. So this is also wrong. Availability zone, yes, it is used for high availability and fault tolerance but not for as a backup service. But Amazon EVS snapshot, we can use it as a backup service because it's provide virtual hard disk in the cloud. So our choice for this question will be Amazon EVS snapshot.